Okay.
Ah!
For this game, you need 2 fly swatters. If you haven't got real ones, you can make one out of cardboard or use something else.
Hey, what about my shoe?
Okay.
Yeah, like, there we go. Oops.
Okay.
That works.
Good.
That works.
Right, let's look at the fruit. So, apples.
Apples.
Berries.
Berries.
Mangoes.
Mangoes.
Pears.
Pears.
Grapes.
Grapes.
I think fruits are great.
I think fruits are great.
Good. Okay, right. So, have one for you and one for you.
Hey, she's too close.
Right. Okay, let me come here.
Okay.
Right, in teams, 2 teams.
Me.
1 team, 2 team. So, I like berries. You didn't say it.
No, I didn't say it.
Let's try again. I like mangoes.
Ah! Yes.
You didn't say it.
I was going to say it. She
Right.
was.
I win.
Olivia.
Here you go.
Okay, I'm saying it. I think fruits are great.
I think fruits are great.
Oh yes!
Yay.
Woo! 1 point.
I'm sorry.
Right, okay. Ready? I like grapes.
I like grapes.
Good. Ben.
2 points.
2 points.
There we go. Ready?
Okay, Ben, now
Yes.
you come and try.
Oh, okay.
I like mangoes.
Julian, Cliff, you go.
Ah, oops, sorry.
My turn. Oh! Ha!
I like apples.
I like apples.
Oh, man. Okay,
Yeah.
so you've got 4 points and you've got 2.
Oh, 3 points.
Okay. Okay, so you're the winners.
Oh.
Yeah.